firstly, I'd say that the approval rate of orphan therapies in the MENA region is generally much lower than the USA or EU. For example, I think only 1/3 of the drugs approved in the USA or EU are registered in Saudi. And the differences in the number of registered orphan therapies across the MENA region can be attributed to several factors, including variations in the definition of rare diseases, specific policies and incentives for orphan drug development in each country, and differences in the regulatory approval process. So typically in the UK, we would generally expect highly specialized products to be assessed through relevant pathways and to be scrutinized by NICE. However, the use of HTA as a tool for the assessment and the pricing of products isn't really widespread throughout MENA. I think Tunisia is currently the only country in MENA with an independent national HTA body, and that was established way back in 2012, I think it was. In contrast, other countries in the region may have subnational payers or treatment institutions with their own private HTA units.
Okay, so is this something that's likely to change in the future?
Yeah, absolutely. I'd say there's a real desire from numerous countries in the region to move towards a more European-style HTA system. It's just not quite clear at this stage what criteria those future bodies will end up using. There is a number of challenges obviously associated with setting up these bodies. So, for example, the recruitment of specialized HTA professionals, the lack of public funding into HTA research, and I suppose limited legislation on the organizational structure. But as you say, you're quite right. Like several countries have declared the establishment of a national HTA body as part of a major health policy priority. So both Egypt and Saudi Arabia, as part of their 2030 vision, have suggested this, and we'll be keeping a close eye on it. We'll be speaking with our various global associates on how these progress over the coming years. We may even do another webinar in a few years' time on this very topic.